So I do find this kind of interesting. The lights are still on even in the daylight, so they are still trying to get their full load out of them. But it does look like there is a red, a blue, and a green in each of these. So yeah, light spectrum. So here's actually more of the lights, though. They shine from the ground up and stuff. That's cool. I really don't know what to say because not really much has changed from last night. It's just during the day now, so you can see more of the queue, which, yeah, that's cool, I guess. Yeah. So looking at the Wipeout site, not too much of a difference that we can see here, but there are some new pipes that are going in, so that'll be cool. I don't know what they're for. I'm honestly super tired from last night, so that's why I'm not speaking. Yes. Right? So all three trains are on the track. All the LED lights are on right now. You can kind of see them. Also, another thing, they are starting to fill up this hole. It definitely looks like they're getting ready to put a ride there, though, for sure. But yeah, they have one train in the station, one in the safety break behind it, and then one in the black section right there. So let's hope we can see some testing today, but I don't know. We'll see.
Oh yeah, there's fence. Yeah, there's fencing. What is that?
Yeah, that thing was gnarly right there.
Now that you mention that.
So just so you guys know, Wastewinger is almost back open. It is not open today, but they are working on it. They are putting seats back in as we speak. So the ride ops are going through ride evacuation protocol right now. So they are stuck on the brake run and they are all being taken off the ride. That's cool. So this is kind of interesting. The wall in the background is painted blue, but until that corner, I know it won't focus, but it's not blue anymore, or it never has been blue. I wonder if they're actually going to paint that side blue. So like, here's what I'm talking about with the wooden walls. They're just not painted, so maybe they're going to change that. I don't know.
Hey, look at that line. I like that one. We still haven't ridden the train.
Oh, I got more plants out.